So now I will talk about difference between as far as long as soon as. Use as long as for time when talking about a long period. For example, I will stay with you as long as you want. A condition that is a requirement. For example, you can go to the party as long as you are back by 11 p.m. And use as soon as for time. When one thing happens at the same time as another or immediately after another. For example, the phone rang as soon as I walked into my apartment. Use as far as for degree or distance. For example, I will walk with you as far as the corner. For example, opinion in the expression as far as I am concerned. For example, as far as I am concerned, he owes me an apology. For example, to limit your statement in the expression as far as I know. For example, as far as I know, Barry has never been outside the country.